Open up the stair image, go to create a new layer, call it iris, go to the brush tool, set to 100 pixels, soft round, hardness 0, choose red, ensure that the iris layer is selected, left click and draw across the iris towards the pupil, go back to the color palette, now choose orange, paint orange next to the red, go back to the color palette, now yellow, now green, now light blue, now indigo, and finally purple. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Set the radius to 80 pixels. Click OK. Go to the eraser tool. Size should be set to 130, hardness 0, soft round, opacity 100. Go to the middle of the pupil, left click 4 times. Drag your mouse cursor outside of the iris, left click, hold down and drag your mouse around the outside of the iris, including on the eyelashes, to get rid of any unnecessary colour on the whites also. And you're done.